Got the heckin' hiccups. Maybe now that I'm talking to a camera, it'll scare them away. Walked to the store today in the middle of the summer heat. Thank goodness there's a cold front coming in today because that made that nicer. Did both the litter boxes today. Took down the trash. Cooked for the family. Feeding the family 3 times a day, of course, takes a lot of time out of your day. I've mostly just been spending the rest of the day watching The Dragon Prince. Mariah hadn't seen it yet, and it seems like something she'd be into. And she is enjoying it. I'm glad. I haven't seen season 3 yet, and I don't think I finished season 2, so it's been nice to take my mind off the world around me. Of course, I cleaned the house again today. The landlord here isn't managing the property properly, so there are so many holes. Like, the 2 sinks in this house their piping underneath the sink is just going into a gaping hole in the wall. It's not caulked up or anything, so I'm really hoping to get some caulk and a caulk gun so I could seal up some of the edges, because like there are roaches living in the walls of this place, and even though we are murdering every individual we see, like just every once in a while a nest pops up in the cracks of the house that we have no control over, but because we're not the lord of this property. So that's my update for the day. I did a bunch of uploading this weekend, so screw everybody. I think I could take a day off from uploading, except for my vlog. Whew. God, I hate the hiccups. I learned what the word for hiccups in ASL is today. It's you do this at your chest, and you go, basically. Ha. Hiccups. Ha. That's what they feel like. Ha. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully my hiccups won't last much longer. Sub to my Patreon if you want to see the stuff that I do besides my vlog and you like my political stuff, and also you'll be supporting my fiance, who I guess you've seen I've been updating for on my channel. Yeah.